Watch it just go another round of that. We couldn't handle another round of that.
See, there's a big algae bloom right here.
Yeah.
And the shads hide under it.
I got a hit about it right where you're at now.
Right about the time you said, man, that thing's too big. Oh shit, that's a big one.
I know. That's funny.
You believe in bigger baits yet?
I'm never gonna use them if that's what you. Just fine with my little baby. Got an 8-pounder on this little pup.
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Oh, where was that? Where you got? In the blind cast, I heard one. Oh, there they are. Oh, they're all over here. Go. Over there too. They're bigger fish. Oh, I fell hooked to my thing. Oh my God, there's big ones in the school, bro. Get in the water. There we go. Yeah.
You getting tired yet?
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna lose one.
It's alright, he's still in bed. Holy shit, you ought to see your meter.
I don't need to see my meter. I'm fighting the fish. There's two. Where those pliers at, bro? Get out there, Bill. Foot.